Right now, people are panicking about artificial intelligence. Jobs are apparently doomed, creativity is over, and machines are definitely plotting something behind our backs. But here's the thing, this isn't new. In fact, the very first artificial intelligence wasn't intelligent at all. It was a lie, and we fell for it.
In this video, we're going to uncover where AI really began, why people were convinced machines could think decades before they actually could, how hype, fear, and human psychology did most of the heavy lifting, and why today's AI boom is following the exact same pattern. So get comfortable, maybe grab a drink, because this story starts a lot earlier than you think.
I'm BITFRAME, and this is the untold story of the first artificial intelligence.
Long before computers ever existed, humans were already obsessed with one idea. Can we build something that thinks like us? Ancient myths were full of artificial beings, golems, automatons, mechanical servants, not because they were possible, but because humans wanted them to be. So when computers finally arrived in the mid-20th century, we didn't ask what they could do, we asked what they meant. In 1950, British mathematician Alan Turing asked a deceptively simple question: can machines think? Instead of trying to define thinking, he proposed a test. If a human couldn't tell whether they were talking to a machine or a person, did it really matter? This became known as the Turing Test, and it planted a very dangerous idea, that appearing intelligent might be enough.
In 1966, a computer scientist named Joseph Weissenbaum created a program called ELIZA. ELIZA didn't think, it didn't understand language, it didn't know anything at all. All it did was rephrase what you said and turn it back into a question. Human, I feel sad. ELIZA, why do you feel sad? That's it. That was the entire trick. And yet, people lost their minds. Abusers began treating ELIZA like a therapist. Some refused to believe it was just code. Even professionals projected emotions, empathy, and intelligence onto it. Weissenbaum himself was horrified. Because ELIZA wasn't intelligent, we were just incredibly good at fooling ourselves. Humans are pattern recognition machines. We see faces in clouds, intent in random events, meaning where there is none. So when a machine responds convincingly, our brains fill in the gaps. The intelligence wasn't in the computer, it was in us.
The media didn't help. Headlines screamed about thinking machines. Movies showed computers turning evil. Corporations loved the mystery, because mystery sells. AI became a story, not a tool. And once something becomes a story, facts stop mattering. When IBM's Deep Blue beat chess champion Garry Kasparov in 1997, people said intelligence had finally arrived. But Deep Blue didn't understand chess. It brute-forced possibilities, millions of them, very fast. That's not thinking, that's speed. Today's AI can write essays, create art, and mimic conversation. And once again, people say, it understands, it's conscious, it's alive. But under the hood, it's still pattern prediction. Very impressive pattern prediction, but not awareness. The lie hasn't changed, only the presentation has.
The danger was never machines taking over. The danger is humans trusting systems they don't understand, believing outputs without questioning inputs, confusing confidence with truth, replacing judgment with convenience. That's what ELIZA taught us, and we ignored it.
Artificial intelligence didn't begin with consciousness. It began with illusion. And maybe the most uncomfortable truth is this: the first AI wasn't lying to us. We were lying to ourselves. Because the moment something sounds human, we desperately want it to be alive. This is BITFRAME, where we frame the past, present, and future of the digital world. And this was the first lie we told ourselves about intelligence.